In this video, I will show you how to change the currency in the Amazon app. So you'll see right now for me it is in dollars and more specifically in Canadian dollars. For example, you can see right here everything is in dollars. Now if I would like to switch to euros, what I need to do is click on the account icon in the bottom. Now from here you want to go and click in the top right on the flag of the country you're currently in. Then here click on country or region. Then in order to change the currency, you will need to change to the country that has that currency. So only if you actually want to order the products to that country, you should do this. Otherwise, you can better just convert the currency online after you find a product. But for example, if I click on Germany right here and I click done, you will now see that the products are in euros. So I've now changed the currency on the Amazon app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.